everybody. How are you today? I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. So today in the mail I received a box, and for the life of me, I don't know who sent it to me. I know the name of the box. I found it on Cratejoy, but I cannot find an email correspondence with this person. So I'm a little lost. So if you sent me a box and your box is called Whisk Takers, then please email me and let me know, because it seems as though I have misplaced an email. But anyway, that will not stop me from doing a review. They graciously sent me this box for me to review, and I am a little afraid of this box. Okay, so here's the story. I have 4 children, and surprisingly, they all have birthdays. And they go to my mother for her to make their cakes. Because I am not Betty Crocker. No. I can cook filet mignon, but I cannot make a box cake to save my doggone life. So every year for my kid's birthday, normally they call my mother and have grandma make them a cake, because I truthfully suck at baking. I don't know why. I just never took a great interest in baking. I mean, I attempt it every now and again, and once in a while I succeed and it tastes really good. But most times it doesn't taste so good, and it don't look good either. So I can make no-bake cookies because you don't have to bake them. I hate measuring. I hate doing all of that. So it would stand to reason why I received this box, because there's no measuring required. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So this box is, like I said, on Cratejoy, and they have 2 boxes. The first box is called Best Sellers, and these are step-by-step recipes and pre-measured ingredients, and they're delivered right to your door. So this explains why I have this box, because I suck at baking. Anyway, you get, come on now, move it along. Let's go. Come on. Come on. It does not want to come on. It does not. Okay, there we go. Now we are good to go. Anyway, it says when you sign up for Whisk Takers, and it's WHISK, Whisk, like a whisk, Takers. Very cute play on words. I like that. We will provide you with step-by-step recipes and pre-measured ingredients delivered right to your door, and remove the trial and error. Thank you. Remove the trial and error from baking. Whisk Takers will teach you how to bake from scratch, correctly combine ingredients. Yes, Lord. Impress yourself and everyone else in the process. Just what I need. Throw some flour on my face. Simple enough for a child to do. Well, that makes me feel better now. This is going to be a fun video. The baked breakfast is great for people who want a taste of the morning with their dessert. The Best Sellers is a great mix of some of our favorite recipes. Boxes do not include baking pans or baking sheets. No, I really do have those. I do have those. Each brownie box yields approximately 12 to 16 brownies. Another thing I don't need on my diet. Cupcake box yields approximately 24 to 30 cupcakes. So the box that I have, I believe, is the bestseller box, and it is $18.99 a month. And then they have one other box, and it's called Random, and that is also $18.99 a month. So you will either get their bestsellers, like the one that I received, or you will get one that's just totally random and they're just going to send it to you. So let's open this box and see just how easy this baking is going to be. Open up. Oh my goodness. All right, here is what we see. Oh, look, instructions too. Yes. Directions. And this is s'mores brownie. Right there is all the ingredients, the recipe, the directions, the lifesaver. Because truthfully, I just bake horribly. I bake horribly. Okay, so, and on here it says, fake it till you bake it. Yes, they get me. They really get me. And it says hashtag be a whisk taker at whisk takers. And okay, so everything in this box is numbered. They all have numbers. Oh, I didn't even show you, did I? I know, I'm bad. I'm sorry. But here it all is. All of your ingredients that you need are in this bag, and they are all numbered. Yes, I don't have to worry about anything. So we have number 1, sugar. And then where's number 2? Let's see. Aha! Number 2, vegetable oil. Number 3, vanilla extract. And number 4, come out, wherever you are, flour. Yes, I do not have to measure. You guys don't even know. You don't even know. My husband would be like, thank God. Number 5, cocoa powder. Number 6 is salt, which is also right here. See the salt? Yes, it's already measured. I ain't even got to worry about it. I don't even have to worry about it. Number 7 is baking powder. And there it is in the little vial. Number 8 is pink salt. Cool. Number 9 is marshmallows. And number 10 are the golden bears to go on top of my s'mores brownies. This is going to be simple, right? Let's hope so. Okay, well, the next part of this video will be me throwing together my brownies and baking them and then eventually eating them, because I'm going to eat them because they were sent to me, so I have to eat them, right? Yes, I do have to eat them. So, put all my ingredients back in my box for safe travels to my kitchen. In the next part of this video, I will speed it up because I'm kind of slow when it comes, not literally slow, but slow moving, because I don't want to mess it up. So, anyway, it does give you step-by-step instructions. Preheat the oven, microwave the butter until partially melted, combine the eggs. That is one thing they don't include, the perishables. They give you all the dry ingredients, which is fantastic, because sometimes, I mean, who keeps pink salt in their cupboard? I certainly don't keep pink salt in my cupboard. If I need it for a recipe or I'm cooking something, I'll go get some, but I don't generally keep it on hand. And then it says, share what you made with us for a chance to be featured on our website and automatic entry for a free year subscription. Ooh. I think I'm going to like this box. Maybe it'll teach me how to bake, right, guys? And then my kids won't ask my mom to make their birthday cakes anymore. Honestly, I don't know. There was a couple years where I did, in fact, go and buy the doggone cake because I can't bake. And they know, they'll tell you, no, Mom, please don't bake. Let Grandma do it. And they really did say that to me. That's terrible, right? My youngest is, God, 24. I did bake a couple of cakes. I mean, they didn't all get eaten all up like crazy like my mom's, but I still made them. They weren't good. I even have a hard time with brownies, so this should be really interesting to see how well I do or don't do with this. But like I said, if you're the curator of this box, Whisk takers, please email me, please, because I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for sending me this box. And now on to the next part of the video. And don't be shocked if I throw a little flour on my face, because I want you guys to think I'm working hard over here. Maybe I can get my daughter-in-law to come and do it. And I don't, no, I'm gonna do it. I will. I'll do it. I'll do it. I might be crying because I'm not no good at baking. So I need a little confidence, guys. All right. I will see you after I get my brownies done, and we're going to snack on some brownies. All right, guys. See you in the next part of the video. Time in the kitchen. Like I said, I don't bake. I suck at baking. I really do. And I mean, I can admit that I'm no good making cakes and cookies, and I mean, unless I buy it like pre-cut cookies or something, you know how that goes. But this box made everything so much more simpler for me. I didn't feel overwhelmed until I realized that I forgot to do number 1 and 2. On the paper it says to melt the butter, preheat the oven, melt the butter, and then it says pour it into the mixing bowl with 1 and 2. So I mean, I left those steps out and then realized that I had done it. And then I had this big ball of chocolate wonderfulness, but it looked like a dough ball. So in the end, as you could see, they were amazing. Just amazing, amazing brownies. I loved the marshmallows on top. It tasted just like a toasted marshmallow would at a campfire. It was amazing. Great brownies. They lasted one whole 24-hour period in my house because we ate them all. They were really good. Not good for my waistline, but they were really good. But anyway, if you guys would like to try out Whisk takers, I highly recommend them. I love the fact that everything is pre-measured and separated, and if you're not like me and you follow the directions to the T, you should have no problem. Because I did not follow the directions the way I was supposed to. That is my fault. But in the end, they turned out amazing. So it is all worked out in the end. They were amazing, and I need to say this. This box was sent to me for review. A day after I received this box, my oven quit working. So we had to wait for a replacement part to get the oven to put it in there so that I could make these brownies. And I feel so horribly bad because the curator of this box sent this to me for review, and I am just now getting to it almost, well, a week later. And I just want to say that I am very, very sorry that this happened. This is not who I am. It is not who I am. I get a box, I get the video out, I give you my honest review. With that being said, my oven is now fixed, and thankfully I can finally get this video to the curator of this box, and I just want to tell them, because I know they're going to watch this video, your box is amazing, and it is genius for people like me that hate measuring and honestly are not very good at baking, because I'm not, and I can admit it. So it's okay though. All right, guys. Well, if you would like to check out Whisk Takers, I will leave a link down below in the description bar so that you can scoot on over to Crate Joy, click the link, and get yourself one of these boxes, because these boxes, this is amazing. It's amazing. And for the, how do I want to say this? The baking challenged. There we go. I'm a baking challenged person. It's perfect for us baking challenged people. It made me feel a little bit better about tackling baking in itself. I feel this much more confident. I'm sure with a couple more boxes from Whisk Takers that I will feel much more confident in my baking attempts. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. If you feel the need to subscribe to me, hit that subscribe button right over there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because we want Whisk Takers to know that we appreciate them and everything that they do. Great box, guys. I hope to receive another one, and this time I promise you my oven will not be broke, because it is fixed now. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm done rambling. I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.